Hello, and welcome to our video on making money online with AI. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can use AI to create new opportunities for making money online. From automating tasks to analyzing data, AI can help you create a profitable online business. We're going to cover the basics of AI, the different ways it can be used to make money online, and most importantly, how you can get started with an AI-powered online business. First, let's start with a brief introduction to AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. It's a broad field that encompasses many different techniques and technologies, including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. In recent years, AI has been making huge strides in a wide range of industries, and it's now becoming more and more accessible to businesses and individuals. AI is being used in fields such as healthcare, finance, and transportation to improve efficiency and decision-making. The potential for AI to create new opportunities for making money online is also huge. AI can be used to automate tasks, analyze data, and even create new products and services. For example, AI can be used to automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks such as data entry, customer service, and content creation. This can save businesses a significant amount of time and money, allowing them to focus on more important tasks. AI can also be used to analyze data, such as customer data or market trends, which can help businesses make better informed decisions and increase their chances of success. Additionally, AI can be used to create new products and services that were previously not possible. For example, AI-powered virtual assistants, chatbots, and personal shopping assistants are all examples of products and services that were made possible by the advances in AI. These products and services can help businesses improve customer service, increase sales, and create new revenue streams. So what are some examples of online businesses that are using AI to make money? One example is chatbots. Chatbots are a type of AI software that can interact with customers in a natural way, through text or voice. Many businesses are now using chatbots to improve customer service and even make sales. Chatbots can be used to answer frequently asked questions, help customers navigate a website, and even assist with making purchases. This can save businesses time and money while also providing a better customer experience. Another example is AI-powered content creation. AI can be used to generate written or spoken content that is indistinguishable from content created by humans. This has huge potential for businesses that rely on content marketing, such as blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels. AI-generated content can be used to create new articles, blog posts, or even entire books. This can save businesses time and money while also increasing the amount of content they can produce. Artificial intelligence can also be used for e-commerce and online marketplaces, personalizing product recommendations, optimizing pricing strategy, and forecasting sales. With the ability to process large amounts of data, artificial intelligence can help online businesses to understand customer behavior and preferences, and create a more personalized shopping experience. So, you're probably wondering how you can get started with an artificial intelligence-powered online business. The good news is that you don't need to be an expert in artificial intelligence to start making money online with artificial intelligence. There are many companies and resources available that can help you get started. One way to get started is by using pre-trained artificial intelligence models. There are many companies such as OpenAI that offer pre-trained models that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as natural language processing and image recognition. These pre-trained models can be easily integrated into your online business, allowing you to start using artificial intelligence without having to develop your own models from scratch. Another way to get started is by taking a course or reading a book about artificial intelligence and how to use it for business purposes. There are many resources available online to help you learn about artificial intelligence and how to use it to make money online. These resources can provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to start using artificial intelligence in your online business. It's also important to have a clear understanding of the limitations and ethical considerations of artificial intelligence. As artificial intelligence is being used in more and more industries, it's important to understand the potential risks and how to mitigate them. This includes understanding how artificial intelligence can be used to discriminate against certain groups, how to ensure the safety and privacy of personal data, and how to ensure the transparency of the decision-making process. So, there you have it, an overview of how you can use AI to make money online. Remember, the potential for AI to create new opportunities for making money online is huge, and it's becoming more and more accessible to businesses and individuals. With the right knowledge and resources, anyone can start an AI-powered online business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.